So my name is John McDonald, and I'm with General Electric in the United States in Atlanta, Georgia. And I've been at GE for 8 years, and I'm the Director of Technical Strategy, Industry Standards, and Policy Development for a business that's called GE Grid Solutions. I've been active and a member of IEEE and the IEEE Power and Energy Society for 45 years now. What we call the next productivity revolution in our industry, which it was called the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, for instance, a year and a half ago, a brand new consortium was formed called the Industrial Internet Consortium. GE, the company I work for, Cisco, IBM, AT&T, some major companies in the industry all formed this new Industrial Internet Consortium. And the idea is to look not just at the energy vertical or the energy field, but a number of different industries and say, what's going to be the impact of the Internet of Things on the development of new technology? And first of all, we have to think about, what is the Internet of Things? It's three things. It's connecting smart machines with big data and analytics and with people. And by people, we mean no matter where we are, connected in any way we can, at any place. And the idea then is whatever information that we're looking for is readily available to us. We don't have to go get it. There's tremendous savings with applying the Internet of Things to the development of new technology. And so we're in the middle of that now. And from an IEEE point of view in the Power and Energy Society, we're looking at the energy applications of the Internet of Things. Okay. I would say the second would be putting much more money and investing more in the distribution system. That part of the grid, the history of investment in the grid, we've invested in the generation side of the grid, we've invested in the transmission, but we have not invested in the distribution. And that's the part of the grid that brings the electricity directly to the customer, to the end-use customer. For instance, in the United States, we have 48,000 distribution substations, and only half of those have any kind of automation installed. So we have large areas of unobservability where we don't know what's happening on the grid. And there could be an outage, and if there's no automation at the substation, until the customers call the utility wouldn't know that there's a problem because there's no automation to detect that problem and communicate it to the utility.